What's up, everyone, and welcome to Freelance Nomad Studios, where we teach you skills to help you build a nomadic lifestyle. So, while you're at it, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be updated every time we upload new videos and get you ready for that nomad freelancer life. In this course, we will be teaching you how to become a social media manager, giving you all the skills you need to help you land that first social media management client. In this lesson in particular, we will be talking about social media platforms, giving you an overview of what they are, who they are for, and how to best utilize them for your client's business. So, let's get started. Before you can put together a game plan for your client's social media management, you will need to consider the best social media platform for your client's business. Most of your clients might already have existing social media accounts, but it is good to be aware of these platforms so you can help your clients make better social media decisions. Being able to suggest which platform to promote will position you as an expert rather than just an order taker. Here is a brief overview of the different platforms and what benefits they can provide you or your client's business. Facebook has nearly 2.7 billion monthly active users who come from a diverse background that provides a nice balance of user base. This makes Facebook a great social platform for businesses that are trying to reach a wider audience. Instagram is a great social media channel for brands that create a lot of visual content. Instagram's audience tends to be on the younger side with more female users than male. This can be a great platform for businesses selling products or services related to fashion, lifestyle, art, or other visual-focused industries. Twitter is ideal for brands that want to join a conversation about trending topics in their industry. It's also a great place to share content with influencers and other individuals who might find your brand valuable. LinkedIn is the social media platform for business-to-business brands that are targeting businesses in different industries. With LinkedIn, you can find, interact, and share content with people based on the company type, industry, or job title. YouTube has become the second largest search engine in the world, second to Google. You can upload your video content to this channel to help engage and connect with your audience. With a limited video hosting, your business can post as much video content as you want and share through other channels. Pinterest is a great channel for sharing image-focused content. This has become a must for consumers who are interested in DIY crafts, home improvement, nutrition, fitness, fashion, and more. If your client sells a product or service that lends well to imagery, then Pinterest may be worthwhile. Choosing the right social media channels for your client's business depends on their audience and goals. Illustrated in this diagram is an overview of everything I have discussed in this lesson. I will also have this infographic available for download, so check that out in the description below. When you are finally able to determine the platforms you will be publishing content to, it's now time to create a content strategy for your client's brand. In our next lesson, I will be talking about how to create or develop a social media strategy with your client. This is another great added service you can provide on top of your monthly recurring service. That ends this lesson. Please don't forget to hit the like button if you like this course, as it will help me release more freelance courses for free. Thanks for watching.